In this video, I'm going to show you how to make $10 every 3 minutes, which is going to be $200 a day. Keep watching this video. Hey, what's up with you guys? This is Irfan here and welcome to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you that how you can make up to $200 per day with this super simple strategy. This strategy is 100% beginner friendly, guys. If you're advanced, I recommend you to just skip this video. This video is for people who want to make a couple of $100 here and there, and after that they want to actually switch their strategy to something else, because this is not something that you want to do like for 2 years, 3 years. This is something that can help you to make a couple of $100, even $1,000 in a very short period of time. So this strategy is super simple. This video is not going to be so long, guys, and I'm going to show you some cool things and free websites that you can leverage in order to make that amount every single day. So before I dive into the tutorial, guys, if you still haven't subscribed to my channel, do it right now. It's gonna take you less than a second, and if you like this video, at the end of it, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, because it's gonna help me more than you think, and it's gonna help the algorithm to boost my video in front of more people. So without any further ado, let's get into it right now. So the website that I personally use is called remove.bg. So this is a website that you can remove all your pictures backgrounds for free. Yes, you heard it right. Whatever picture you have, you can just literally download it, put it right here, and it's gonna remove all the backgrounds for you. The second website that I'm gonna use is called pexel.com. So right now I want to show you an example. When you go to pexels.com or Unsplash or Pixabay, these three websites, you can download free stock photos or videos, and then here you can search for portrait. And I want to show you a very quick example that how we can use the other website to remove whatever background that you want. So for example, let's go for example this photo probably, and then I can download it for free. As I said, it's 100% free of charge, and then I'm gonna drag it and drop it right here to my desktop. And after that, what I can do is that I can jump back to remove.bg, and then I can upload this image right here. So as you can see, I can literally put it right here, and it's gonna remove all the background for me. See that it kind of removed everything for me without any problem. But if you want to edit it yourself, just click on edit, and then you can zoom in to see what the problem is. For example, we need to remove this part right here. You go to this section, erase, and then you decrease the enhancement, and as you can see, it's done. So I scroll down to see what the problem is. There's no other problem, everything is fine, and it's literally removed the background. So this is how we can do it, and then click on download image, done, you're done. So, but if you want to download this photo in HD, you need to actually buy their subscription, which is a few cents to $1 per month for each picture. And if you click on it, yeah, 1 credit, you need to sign up, and then you need to spend like $2 to $3 per photo, but it's going to give you the full HD image. So if you want to use it for your clients, that I want to actually show you how to do that, I highly recommend this option, because you can definitely make that money back after one order. So keep watching. I have the image ready right here. As you can see, I wanted to show you an example. You go to this website, and then you pick whatever picture you want, and then you go to remove.bg and you remove the background. So the next thing you need to do, guys, is going to the website called peopleperhour.com or Fiverr.com. These are the two websites that are for freelancers. You literally go and sign up there for 100% free of charge, and then you post your gigs or your jobs on this website, and you get customers. So I can actually search for remove background. I have a account on People Per Hour when I used to do web development. I still have an account, but when you search for remove background, you see that people are charging $10 per photo. So this guy is actually removing the background for 25 images, $10. You don't want to do that, guys. You don't want to like get 25 images for $5-10. You want to do it for one image. You can literally charge people $10 $15 for one image, one single image. So 35 photos, $10, not worth it. 20 images, $15, not worth it. See, 1 to 50 images for 25 bucks. This is good. One image in Photoshop, $15. But again, you don't really need Photoshop. You can literally use this website and then post your gig here and make some money. As I said, you can make a couple of $100, but this is not something that you want to do it consistently, because after that, you know, it's gonna get boring. But the next website is this one. If I go and search for remove background, you're gonna see that people are literally charging for bulk image background $12. 500 Amazon product background for $6, which is not worth it, guys. I'm telling you, don't do that. 500 images are too much, and that's why I'm saying you gotta go for portrait niche, and that's why I actually showed you an example on pexels.com. Because if you want to get a portrait like this, people don't have 500 images. They just give you 1, 2, or maximum 3. And you can charge them $10, $15, $20. But if you want to go for products, then you should be expecting to get somewhere between 20 to 500 images, and to remove their backgrounds for literally 5 to 10 bucks. So it's not really worth the effort. So it's very good to go for the portraits only, to get 1 to 3 images and charge them somewhere between $5 to $15 to $20. I can see this guy is charging $5, it's in Canadian, $6.45 for one image. This is portrait. This is what I mean, guys. You gotta aim for portrait that they give you one image, like this one, $5, one photo. It's totally worth it. This one, $10, one photo. This one, $10, one photo. You know, this is what I mean, guys. I mean, it's really, really cool that you can really use this method to make some money on peopleperhour.com or Fiverr.com. So I'm going to show you the second method that you can use, and you can actually apply the same strategy in the second method, which is going to be super cool. And the website that I want to show you for that is called hotpot.ai/colorize-picture. So what it does is that it takes all the black and white images and it colorizes them. It's super cool, guys. And I can show you an example right here. Instead of portrait, you can go for black and white, and then I can show you an example right here. So there's so many black and white images here, and I can show you an example. For example, we can go for an image. Just, you know, pick whatever you want. Probably this one, I don't know. And then I can download it for free. And again, I'm gonna take it to my I'm gonna put it right here in my desktop, and then I get back to this website, and here you can just literally upload your photo, and then it's gonna colorize everything for you. So it has to be black and white, and there are so many people who want to do that, guys. They don't know how to do it, but they just want to do it. So you can do the same thing on Fiverr and People Per Hour, but right now I'm going to explain how it works. So for colorization factor, it's better to put it on 18, somewhere in the middle, and then just need to wait until this website does its job. So sometimes there might be some minor errors, but this website is going to do a really good job, and it's going to deliver the best results for you if you want to use it for your clients. This is what you want to do. Done. See, if you click on it, you see that this image has been colorized. How cool is that? It's super cool, guys. And let's imagine that you do it in less than 5 seconds, and you charge your client $5, $10, up to $20 per image. It's super cool because people do it in Photoshop and they don't do the best job, even though they're doing it in Photoshop. But if you do it on this website, it's going to give you a very good result. So we have the image, guys, and the same thing. Go to this website, and instead of remove background, you can go for colorize image, and you see that people are charging $10, $260. Oh, this is for shooting. Colorize. Or you can go for black and white instead of colorize image, black and white, to see what pops up. Yep, professionally restore and colorize a black and white photo. This is what I mean. $15 for single image. And how long did it take me? Probably 5 seconds. $15 in 5 seconds. So And this guy had over 400 reviews. I mean, let's say that he had 500 sales and 411 of those people actually left a review. So just do the multiplication yourself. 500 times 15, how much money would that be? That you can do it in literally 5 seconds by using a free website. So as we scroll down, $40 for 20 photos. Not bad. You do it in 10 seconds. And then as you scroll down, $10, $10, $20, $20, $25. See, for single image, it's cool, guys. It's super cool. Just don't forget to save this website. It's going to become handy to you later on if you want to use it. You can do the same thing here. Instead of this one, we can go for black and white. And then after that, you can see that there are so many geeks. People restore black and white, from black and white to colorful, but you can go for a colorized image, something like this. See what pops up. And yep, same thing. You can do the same thing. $5, $5, $40, $5. See that it totally varies. You can create 2 free accounts on peopleperhour.com and fiverr.com and apply these 2 strategies that I just showed you right now. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope that you enjoyed this video. As I said, it's not going to take so long, and I just wanted to show you a very quick tip that how you can make money, easy money, by using these 2 methods. But if you're interested in learning affiliate marketing, and if you think that this method is not gonna be super beneficial for you, I've actually written my 300-page affiliate marketing book, which you can find the book exactly in the description. It's going to be the first link in the description, and then you can go through it. It's over 300 pages. I think it's the only affiliate marketing book that has so many pages like this. I've never seen any book for affiliate marketing that has over 300 pages, and it can actually show you literally everything that you need in order to start your profitable online business. So because, as I said, it could be used as a side hustle, but eventually you want to start your online business that brings constant profits for you. So that's why I'm saying, if you want to learn affiliate marketing, I showed you what to do. It's going to be the most affordable way to learn affiliate marketing. If you have any question, don't hesitate to drop your comments below this video. And if you have any question, always you can reach out to me via my email, which is irfan@digivio.com. So thank you so much for watching this video, guys, and have a great day.